Let me show you how to do round gele. Welcome to my channel. My name is Deck Beauty. I want to show you how to do sumo round gele. That day, in fact, was a funny day because that day I just have my photo shoot, my 17 years marriage anniversary photo shoot, and I already have this auntie appointment almost 2 months. There are some appointments that you cannot cancel. I said okay, and the appointment now clashed the same day on my photo shoot. My children, before I managed to gather them, and my husband, children, because of the school activity, they don't have time. They are always available on Saturday, and Sunday after church, before you know it, it's dark already. So that day, I begged this auntie. I say, auntie, please, you must be patient with me. After I finish my photo shoot, before I tell her if I want to take off this my accessory, this my beanie, okuku beads, everything. This one will take me another minimum 40 minutes, and she's running late already. So she's running late. Please just focus your eye on my hand and see how we are going to achieve this small round. The makeup was done by me on that day as well. I was not comfortable because of my gown. My gown was so big. So I was not comfortable with that, my gown. But I just tell her, let me manage everything. Because if I want to take off that, my gown, is women's stress. So the measurement of this round is 40-60. 40-60. So I managed to create first you create 4 to 5 pleats at the front. Then the others 40, if the only way you can divide it 40-60 if the fabric is long. But if the fabric is not that long, you can't create 40-60, just create 20-80. So this is the 40 I am using now to create more pleaty before I now finally use the 60 to finish the top round. Okay, please try and concentrate. This auntie says she don't like something big. She don't like too much loud makeup. So I just give it to her the way she wants it. If today is the first time you come across my page, my name is Deck Beauty. I'm based here in United Kingdom, London. We are into Gele makeup. As you can see my face. This okuku done by me. I will upload the video very soon. This okuku, this my head beads. I tell this woman, I said, Madam, you are great. So me with my Edo bead doing your gele. In fact, you carry grace. This outfit, I don't supposed to even use it to do any gele, but that day, I said, this woman, I don't want to disappoint her. Let me just fast and do her makeup and the gele. So the makeup was, I will upload the makeup video very soon. So what we are doing now, we are using the 60 on the other side to now achieve the top round. Okay. My makeup was done by me. My makeup was done by me. The okuku done by me. I will upload the video of all this, my photo shoot. This thing. I will upload the video, the making of this, my okuku and my makeup. I will upload the video very soon. Book me for your event. If you want to see all my work, go to my Instagram. My work are there. They do many things. We do makeup, we do gele, we do traditional bridal hair, We do the white brother, we do photo shoot. I just upgrade my studio in case you want to have your photo shoot. In fact, my studio is one in town now. Yes, this life you use money to get money. The money I used to stand my studio now, my people, if I tell you now, it's more than £30,000, and we are still working on it. I need just the light alone. The light is £1,000. The lightning, I increase the lightning. So come and have your photo shoots right in my studio in London. Okay. So please try and focus your eye on my hand. You will learn one or two things. What I am doing now, I'm trying to create the top plating because she said she likes small round. You know, we have different type of customer. There are some customer, especially if all these nurse, they don't like too much big thing. All these doctor, nurse, so they like small gele, and they don't like loud makeup. All this our nurse, doctor, pastor, wife. So we will give it to them the way they want it. Yes. Patronize me. Oh my God, I'm tired. Patronize me. As you do so, God will bless you. In case you need like this type of my gown, if you want to see this my gown, I will go to my Instagram. You will see the full gown. The gown, oh God. The gown represent Edo. It represent Edo traditional bride. Yes, this is the final. She was so happy. She was so happy. Yes, that is my phone number. Contact me for your makeup, gele, photo shoot, every beauty. We sell makeup product as well. We sell perfume. We do photo shoots. Yes, so she is super happy. She's ready. See you on my next video. Bye. Yes, so these are all my service. Okay, see. Oh, Yamuna screenshots. All these things I did do them. Okay, these are all my work. These are the old version. The latest version is on my IG. So we sell makeup product, we sell perfume. Contact me. My phone number is there. Or follow me for my social media handle. Bye.